Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our topic, Introduction to PQP in MEP Projects. This presentation will explore how the Project Quality Plan, or PQP, guides us in achieving, verifying, and documenting quality throughout our projects. We'll see how it aligns with international standards like ISO 9001 and ISO 19650, as well as specific client requirements from RC, Aramco, and NHC. Additionally, we'll look at how BIM is integrated into the PQP to ensure traceability and streamline inspections. For example, I'll share how the RC dormitory project had its PQP approved before mobilization and link to BIM 360 for tracking ITPs and WIRs. Over the next slides, we'll cover these points in detail. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the PQP structure and its core components. First, we have the project overview and scope, which set the foundation by clearly defining what the project entails and what boundaries we are working within. Next, the quality objectives and KPIs help us measure success and ensure we stay aligned with our standards throughout the project. Roles and responsibilities are crucial as well, because knowing who is accountable for each task keeps everything organized and efficient. Then, there's the Inspection and Testing Plan, or ITP, which outlines when and how we will verify that work meets the required quality levels. Our document control system, represented here by the DCN icon, ensures all documentation is properly managed, up-to-date, and accessible. This is vital for maintaining consistency and traceability. Lastly, the Corrective Action Procedure, or NCR and CAR, provides a structured way to address any issues that arise, ensuring continuous improvement. For example, we have a process where each discipline leader submits a daily work inspection request status in the Power BI dashboard for the QA/QC manager to review every Thursday. These components together create a comprehensive framework that supports quality management from start to finish, helping us stay on track and deliver a successful project. Let's take a closer look at how BIM is integrated into the PQP. First, we link BIM elements directly with key quality documents such as the inspection test plans, method of statements, and work inspection requests. This connection helps us ensure that all relevant documents are easily accessible and tied to specific building components. We also leverage tools like BIM 360 Docs, Navisworks, and Power BI to enable real-time tracking. This means we can monitor progress and quality issues as they happen, making the management process much more efficient and transparent. Another important aspect is auto-generating checklists from Revit parameters. For example, equipment like an air handling unit, labeled AHU01, can automatically produce a checklist based on its ID, location, and inspection status. So if the inspection status for AHU01 is passed, it will be linked to a corresponding work inspection request number, like RC MEP 0023, within the PQP. And just to highlight the key icons here, laptop computer for BIM, link for integration, jigsaw for data, bar chart for dashboards, and camera for models. They represent how these digital tools and connections come together to streamline quality assurance. Overall, this integration keeps everything connected, up-to-date, and accessible, supporting our goal of delivering a high-quality project efficiently. Now, let's look at some key standards and reference points we use for our mechanical and fire systems. First, we apply SBC 301, 501, and 601, which are essential for ensuring our systems meet local requirements and are properly designed and installed. It's important to follow these closely to maintain compliance and safety. In addition, we adopt international standards like ASHRAE 90.1 for energy efficiency and NFPA 13, 20, and 25, which cover fire protection systems, from sprinkler design to fire pump testing. ISO 9001, 2015 is also integrated to ensure our quality management processes are robust and consistent. For inspection procedures, we refer to the Royal Commission QA/QC specification, particularly Section 16,000. This section guides us on how to conduct thorough inspections, such as verifying fire pump testing, which is documented in the PQP form FP-ITP-07 under NFPA 20 standards. To verify fire rating requirements, we often use the SBC 601 table. Throughout all these processes, we emphasize compliance, represented here by the icons. The Saudi standards Saudi Arabia, the international ISO globe showing Americas, fire safety NFPA fire, energy efficiency ASHRAE dashing away, and overall compliance white heavy checkmark, all work together to ensure our systems are safe, efficient, and up to code. This integrated approach is key to the success of our project. Now, moving on to implementation and continuous improvement, it's essential to start with kickoff meetings. These sessions are crucial for training our teams on the Project Quality Plan, or PQP, ensuring everyone is aligned from the beginning. We also rely heavily on BIM dashboards. These tools allow us to monitor daily progress and keep a close eye on the inspection test plan, or ITP, status in real time. This helps us identify issues early and stay on track. In addition, we hold monthly quality reviews. During these meetings, we evaluate our progress, review key performance indicators, and update the PQP as the project progresses through different phases. For example, in our July 2025 review, we saw a 95% ITP closure rate and a 28% reduction in NCRs, thanks to implementing a new QA workflow within BIM. Icons like calendar remind us to schedule these activities, chart increasing track KPIs, repeat button conduct audits, brain focus on learning, and white heavy checkmark pursue continuous improvement. By integrating these practices, we create a culture of ongoing quality enhancement, ensuring our projects meet the highest standards from start to finish.